All right, everybody. Here is another way of adding and subtracting fractions that might work better for you. It might not. That's fine. But it is another tool to have in your toolbox, and you can never have too many of those. So here's what we do with this. Now, this is, it's really the same process, but it's just a different way of doing it, different way of organizing it, I should say, than the one we did last time. Okay, so what you're going to do is this. So let's say we have something like this, 3/4 minus 5/6. Okay, this is gonna involve cross multiplication. Okay, and what that means is really just what it sounds like. You multiply across, meaning you take 3 times 6, which is 18. And in this case, it's going to be minus. Okay. Now this is where you need to know if it's going to be minus or plus. So whatever the sign is, you put that there. And then you're going to take your 4 times 5, which is 20. And you're going to put those two on the top there. And then for the bottom, you're going to do this. You're going to multiply the denominators straight across. So that would be 24. Okay? So we end up with 18 minus 20 on the top, and then our denominator is 24. Okay, we found that by multiplying our denominators together, same way we did that before. So all we got to do is whatever's on here on the top. In this case, 18 minus 20, that's actually going to be negative 2 over 24. Oops. Okay. Now again, this is something that can be reduced to a more simpler fraction, all that kind of stuff, which we're going to work on doing that later. But for now, go ahead and just leave that as it is, and that is totally fine. Okay, so now there's another section of some adding and subtracting fractions that I want you to try out this method for. And again, whatever method actually works best for you is fine. But just knowing how to do both, I think, is important. So go ahead and try those out, and we'll come back and do some more stuff here later.